Ladies and gentlemen, your new Miss Universe India, Kezia Liz Mezzo.
आपको कितना कॉन्फिडेंस था कि इस बार 64 इयर्स के बाद मैं केरला ये क्राउन पहनने वाला है?
I think my confidence came from the hopes of people, from the love from people. To the whole of India, north, south, northeast, west, east, everything, every single part of India, every nook and corner, you have shown me so much love and support. You have shown me what it means to represent India.
वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो इंडिया को किस तरीके से आप वहाँ प्रेजेंट करेंगे अपने शब्दों में? इंडिया में क्या है और इंडिया का क्या आपको लगता है कि ये हमारी ताकत है, दिस इज आवर स्ट्रेंथ, ये मुझे दुनिया को दिखा?
It's a very well-known fact that our biggest strength is in our unity. Whether you work a 9 to 5, whether you're a homemaker, whether you've owned a business, you are India and you are representing India in everything that you do. Bring that pride to India because we are unstoppable.
युवा देश है और ये देश अब पूरी दुनिया पे अपनी छाप छोड़ने के लिए तैयार है। मैं आज आपकी मुलाकात कराने जा रहा हूँ मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया केजिया मेजो के साथ में। 19 वर्ष की उम्र है, आंखों में चमक है, भयानक सपने हैं और पूरी दुनिया जीतनी है। कितनी बेसब्री के साथ इंतजार था इस दिन का।
23rd August 2026, the day that changed my life. Namaste India, मैं Kezia Liz Mezzo हूँ, आपका Miss Universe India 2026. This is a matter of great pride. I was able to bring the first crown of Kerala back home after 64 long years. This is a great matter of pride for not just me, not just Kerala, but India. And I will represent you to the best of my abilities at Miss Universe.
कंटेस्टेंट तो बहुत सारे थे,
हाँ जी।
पर आपको कितना कॉन्फिडेंस था कि इस बार 64 इयर्स के बाद मैं केरला ये क्राउन पहनने वाला है?
I think my confidence came from the hopes of people, from the love from people. All 51 contestants were so incredible from all around India, and it was my honor to compete alongside them. I was able to learn so much of their culture, so much of their stories, their journeys, which I will always carry with me. But most importantly, the love that I received from my home, Kerala. I'm so honored, and I'm so thankful to God and to all of India for supporting me so much. It is your support and your love that has taken me so far.
केरल की मोहब्बत की तो आपने बात कर ली, पर नॉर्थ इंडिया ने जो आपको दिल खोल के प्रेम दिया है उस पे क्या कहें?
I've received so much love from all over India, honestly. I've been doing pageants since the age of 16, and ever since then, India, you have been such a matter of pride for me, and you've been such a huge reason why I was ready to come back again and again until I wear this crown. And to the whole of India, north, south, northeast, west, east, everything, every single part of India, every nook and corner, you have shown me so much love and support. You have shown me what it means to represent India.
युवा देश है, यूथ है हमारा पूरा देश, और युवा देश को बड़ी उम्मीदें हैं। युवा देश चाहता है कि ये क्राउन ना रहे सर पे, युवा चाहता है कि मिस यूनिवर्स का क्राउन आना चाहिए।
हाँ जी। I'm aiming for the crown of Miss Universe, and I believe that the youth of our generation also has so much potential, and if I can do it, then I believe all of you can as well.
युवाओं को कैसे देख रहे हैं? देश के अंदर जो युवा है, एक आप युवा हैं जिनके पास में उपलब्धि है, युवा है जो लड़ाई लड़ रहा है देश में अपने अधिकारों के लिए, अपने बात को रखने के लिए, उस सबको किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं?
I'm so sorry. युवा की मतलब क्या है?
यूथ।
हाँ जी, ठीक है। Sorry. So to the youth of India, to the yuva of India, I have just one thing to tell you, and I know that you've heard this a million times, to dream, but my message to you is dream even more than you think you can. If your dream seems like it's achievable, I promise you that you're not dreaming enough. If it seems like it's impossible and so out of your reach that you have to work for years and years before you can even think of it, then you are dreaming right, because that's exactly what I did. A 19-year-old standing on the stage of Miss Universe sounded absurd, it sounded impossible. But I stand here to show you that absolutely nothing is, and I dared to, and I so can you.
यहाँ से आगे की जर्नी कैसी होगी? कहाँ जाती नजर आएंगी?
My first vision is to bring back the crown of Miss Universe back to India, to bring pride to India. And I believe that with your prayers, your support, Mera Desh, you have my back, and I know that I will have yours as well. We can do this for India. And after this, I would love to explore the field of acting as well. I would love to showcase what India means to the rest of the world, not just in India.
मिस मेजो हिंदी सीखनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि नॉर्थ इंडिया के अंदर तो हिंदी का ही काम चल रहा है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल भी. Of course, that is also something that I will work on, yes.
तो हम आने वाले समय में आपको बड़े पर्दे पे भी देख पाएंगे।
Yes, we'll see. I think God has a great vision for me, and I believe in that.
शुरुआत हुई है, किसी ने अभी तक कोई ऑफर किया है?
Oh, I've been told to keep it a secret, but I'm sure you'll see me very, very soon in big screens.
कैसे देख रहे हैं ये यूथ जो अपनी आवाज़ उठाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा सा एग्रेसिव भी हो जाता है, इसको किस तरीके से? आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि सपने देखिए, और सपना अगर लग रहा है कि अचीव कर लेंगे तो इसका मतलब आपने सपना नहीं देखा। सपना वो है जो आपको सोने ही ना दे। यूथ जो एग्रेसिव भी हो रहा है, इसको किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं?
I believe that in today's generation, our voice is our greatest strength. But I also do know that it's not thunder that grows flowers, it's rain. Make sure that you know that your voice has that power to create change and use that wisely. Each and every single one of our voices, our dreams, our visions, we are the future of tomorrow. And each and every single one of us will represent India in everything that we do. And you are the pride of India alongside me. And I hope to represent each and every single one of you at Miss Universe in India as well. And my biggest hope is that India becomes a dominion of power, but of also grace.
वैश्विक मंच के ऊपर अब आप जा रही हैं, वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर अब आप जा रहे हैं। वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो इंडिया को किस तरीके से आप वहाँ प्रेजेंट करेंगी अपने शब्दों में? इंडिया में क्या है और इंडिया का क्या आपको लगता है कि ये हमारी ताकत है, दिस इज आवर स्ट्रेंथ, ये मुझे दुनिया को दिखाना है?
It's a very well-known fact that our biggest strength is in our unity. Throughout my life, I've seen how powerful India is when we come together. We are so, so different all around the world. I come from Kerala, which is so incredibly different from the north. But still, I feel so much at home, so loved and respected and valued by everyone in India. And that's the same for everybody. I come from an India where everybody is valued, where everybody is respected. And I think this is the standard we need to set for the rest of the world. That we have forgotten what humanity looks like, but India is reminding them what it means to stand hand in hand together.
मिस यूनिवर्स में अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि भारत के अंदर युवा सड़कों पे उतरा हुआ है, यूथ इज़ ऑन द रोड, आंदोलन कर रहा है अपनी मांगों को उठाने के लिए, इसका क्या जवाब होगा और इसको आपका नज़रिया क्या है देखने का?
That is a matter of great pride, to be honest. It might seem not, but to me, that is the true power of democracy. That is the true power of using your voice, going out, speaking up, and moving out of your comfort zone to do what is right, to do what is right for our country, to be able to make change in whatever small way you can. That is a matter of incredible pride, and that's something that I will carry with me at Miss Universe. I'm sure that the world has so much to learn from India. We are showing the world what it means to have a democracy for the people, of the people, and that is exactly what we are doing in the entire universe as well.
राजस्थान में एक समस्या चल रही है, देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम इन राजस्थान, और मुझे ये लगता है कि पूरे देश के अंदर होगी। जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स हैं उनका बहुत बुरा हाल है। अब आप वैश्विक मंच पे जा रही हैं और वैश्विक मंच के ऊपर हम बात करते हैं कि बहुत से लोग मदद के लिए भी आना चाहते हैं। इन स्कूल्स के लिए आप क्या आपकी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में होंगे? ये छोटे छोटे जो बच्चे हैं, क्या ये आपकी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में होंगे? एजुकेशन आपकी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में होगी क्या?
Of course. I think education has the power to change the world, to change our country, to change the universe. That is a basic necessity, and unfortunately, so many little girls and boys are missing out on that chance. I stand here today because I got that opportunity, that I was blessed with that opportunity. And with this, I want to create that change. I want to be the reason why another girl can wake up and be excited to go to school, to study, to be able to be more. And that is definitely a list of my priorities. I have been an advocate for sustainability in menstrual hygiene. I've been working with so many government schools in so many places, especially in Kerala and even internationally in Dubai and so many countries, to be able to provide accessibility, basic amenities to these kids. Because our youth is our biggest hope. They're our biggest ray of hope and our biggest ray of light. and we must not give up on them. We must do everything we can to make sure that they have the opportunities that they deserve, and I will do just that.
Would you like to be a brand ambassador for education in India?
100%. I joined pageantry because of the amount of influence, because of the amount of power it gives me and my voice. I believe that one voice amplified by many is what creates change, and I'm ready to be that one voice. I am ready to create that change, and it all starts at home. It all starts in Hamara Bharat, and I'm 100% sure that we have such a long way to go, but the youth of today, we have so much power, we have so much vision, we have so much courage. It is not impossible. And I promise you, tomorrow is the day for India. Tomorrow is ours, and we will make the best of it. India will be remembered for history.
यूथ के लिए कोई संदेश?
To my beloved youth, to my beloved generation, to my brothers and sisters, my biggest hope is that you carry India with everything that you do. Whatever you do, do not forget your roots, do not forget your home, because that is our greatest pride. That is our greatest sense of self, and that is your identity. That is who you are. Make sure that you bring pride to your country, whether it's the most smallest thing you do, whether you work a 9 to 5, whether you're a homemaker, whether you've owned a business, you are India and you are representing India in everything that you do. Bring that pride to India, because we are unstoppable.
देखिए, जिस ऊर्जा के साथ में जा रही हैं मिस यूनिवर्स में, और वो ऊर्जा बता रही है, और वो ऊर्जा मैं यहाँ भी महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि ये क्राउन जो है वो बदल सकता है, और एक लंबे समय के बाद में गर्व है इस चीज़ का कि 64 साल बाद केरल को फिर एक बार इस क्राउन को पहनने का मौका मिला है। यूथ के लिए बड़ा संदेश है, सपने वो देखना जिनको पूरा करने में पूरी जान लगानी पड़ जाए और फिर भी लगे कि कम रह जाएगा, सपना वही है। और यूथ के लिए संदेश है कि हिम्मत रखिएगा, सब कुछ जीवन के अंदर मिल जाएगा। एजुकेशन का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए तैयार हैं, देश का पूरा प्रतिनिधित्व करने के लिए पूरी तरीके से तैयार हैं, और हम शुभकामनाएं देते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि अगली बार हम जब मिलें तो ये क्राउन जो है वो बदला हुआ हो। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you so much. India, this is for you. I promise you, this November, Puerto Rico, the crown is coming back home.
चलिए साहब, आप भी शुभकामनाएं दीजिएगा, दुआ कीजिएगा कि ये क्राउन जो है वो जल्द से जल्द बदल जाए।
आपके राज्य की खबरें, आपके शहर की खबरें सबसे पहले जानने के लिए देखते रहें अमर उजाला। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें और पाएं हर अपडेट।